Hey guys, it's Tara, and today's episode is going to be a little different. You'll notice that Natalie is missing right now because we thought it would be very fun to take you guys with us on location and show you the behind the scenes of filming our upcoming short film, Panic Button. We are heading up to Mariposa, California to film on location in the woods. We'll be in the woods for a couple of days getting lost. And let's go because I'm running late and Natalie's gonna kill me. Bye.
So car's all packed, but Nate doesn't have any room. There's the cat. Winchester, say hi. He can't see it. We'll let him out in a minute. He'll be allowed to run around the car. Winchester loves to go for a drive. We've reached the rain. It's gonna rain the first 2 days we were up at this cabin.
Hello, what's up?
Hi guys. You're already in the snacks.
This is actually my room. I'm in my room, enjoying some Cheez-Its.
I found a Natalie.
I found a Tara.
See, I told you she'd be back.
I heard about the cryotherapy and ran. Oh, look at all that snow.
Yeah, that's something I'm really excited about.
Oh, snap.
I want that rock. Oh my god, magical things happen in there. That is where you set teacups out for the fairies. It's hailing on my crew.
I think for segments of it, because I really think the bulk of their conversation should be down by those two down trees.
Where we sit down.
Must be where I check for my signal.
Yeah?
Might be kinda cool.
So what's happening now? We went location scouting for a couple of hours looking for a good spot to film, and a large portion of our crew has decided that they want to move a log for one of the scenes. Not a log, a tree. Let's be clear, this is a tree. So I'm gonna go see what they're doing. Oh hell yeah.
It's already done.
What? You moved a tiny log. Where did you even get that from?
We broke it up from the forest.
I had in mind you guys were like, move one of these. I'm like, guys.
One of these?
Yeah, I don't know what you guys were just like, what? You were gonna go find.
Look, we're strong. We're just not ambitious, so. We're gonna bring that tree over. Perfect.
You were moving trees now?
Yep.
What do you do? Oh God, what are you now doing? My crew is literally rearranging a forest. If you ever wondered what people did behind the scenes to make things look just right. Was there a part in The Revenant where the DP moved a log?
Many times, probably.
Winchester!
All I do is play video games.
You named your cat after a rifle?
He was named
Well,
already, but we would.
But we would have.
Hi,
Did that cat like meow as it was jumping?
Uh-huh.
I can't multitask that.
What?
Pay attention to me. Stop scratching yourself.
Good news is,
What?
Natalie's cold.
You guys want to do a little rewrite?
I mean, oh, all right, rewrites tonight.
To be fair, this isn't actually snow, this is still hail. It's just tiny.
Look at you. It's enough to have
It's been
footsteps.
2 minutes and it's enough to make footprints.
Oh.
Your breath looks like smoke.
Did you take a boomerang? Because that would be amazing. That would be an amazing boomerang. This is what film nerds do when it does something weird in nature. Now it's snowing.
We finished location scouting. We are having Winchester annoy us.
Of course.
We finished location scouting. It is snowing outside.
Snowing.
So we have to rewrite our script.
and the boys are being loud. Can you hear them?
They're slamming things. Th're being very boy-y.
Oh, we're gonna wrap this sucker up, and we're gonna see you guys tomorrow
In the morning.
So we're just gonna do
One of those.
good morning.
What do you want for Kelvin? 4,300.
This is
Yeah, cool.
reality.
Super real.
I'm just so super real. I just want to be like really real.
So this vest is gonna work? We're pretty sure, or we haven't checked it?
Haven't checked just
Okay,
yet.
just curious.
I've been hiking for days.
Good job. But just think of how good it's gonna look.
Actually, do with your skin though. Like, here's t-shirt.
Yeah.
Jason, last name's Brown.
This is what we need to do right here.
Middle initial C.
Some mud, put it on your hands, and then rub your. How many times did you do this? You already know you did.
All right, the drone is going to 1. I'm gonna say action drone. And then about 10 seconds later, I'm gonna say action girl. Up a little bit.
If it's a bust, let me know, and then we'll just reset them from where they are.
Sure. Okay.
Action drone, action girls. Walk in
Stop.
and stop.
And she's past the log now.
She's
she
past
come
the
around
log
this side
now,
of me.
She's still walking. So here,
Yep.
can I walk it through a little
Yeah,
bit?
I diagram it.
Natalie, Tara, here we go. Ready? And action.
Anybody hear us?
Camera's gonna be over here. Foreground tree here. Awesome thing we moved here. You guys there, trees behind you. This is a full rehearsal. Action.
Well, everyone was giving me a hard time for Roy-G bibbing my filing system, but because of it, I knew teal was in the wrong place. What about when you say we'd be better off without the map? How do you think that made me feel?
Timmy, I don't care how it made you feel. You got us lost. Do you understand that? I am gonna die in the woods because you got us lost.
Oh, I am recording. I meant to take a picture.
Beautiful. This is Jason, our director.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to beautiful Mariposa.
It's snowing again. Guys, look at this. We were out in this all morning. It cleared up. And now it's doing it again. Natalie?
I'm winded because I was chasing a cat. I don't look like this because I look like crap. I look like this because this is my makeup for the day. I was supposed to look like crap.
How we were supposed to
Yeah,
be.
this is not what this. My throat hurts because I was yelling all day, literally, and my toes hurt because I have frostbite.
Yeah,
That's a
now
metaphor
that
for sex.
a long. Oh my god, I look terrible. Have you seen me?
I'm looking at you right now.
This is not good, guys. I look like I got.
Did I look like this all day?
Did I look like this all day?
Why is your singing a meow?
My singing is always a meow.
God. We've been friends for 10 years and I don't think I knew that.
You've never heard me meow sing? Okay.
Oh my god.
Every person I know who's heard me meow sing, comment now.
Friendship over. That's it. That's a breaker.
This is our awesome DP Drew. He's watching the dailies.
Hello.
Dailies are a thing that you watch every day to make sure you got all the shit into the reshoot.
Basically, and I'm also making sure everything looks good and is consistent enough, and obviously that we didn't miss anything. But I'm also taking still images from each of the major frames that I have and just doing some light tweaking to them so I can kind of see what it's going to look like when they do a color grade later on.
That's some serious smarty film shit right there, guys.
Yeah, so I got to choose a good frame like this one that people like Tara
That
would
is a
absolutely
face.
love.
Yeah,
Yeah?
you're super nice to me.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going the wrong way. I'm going this way.
Oh God, okay, my butt really hurts.
We're hiking up to the part where we hurt our butt.
Oh God. We are day 2 right now. We are hiking to do some pickup shots.
I'm already winded.
Anyway, so we're gonna go
Shoot some stuff.
shoot some stuff, see the stuff.
See you.
I'm winded. Moving
Bye.
on.
Don't try to talk and walk.
I
Bye.
can't talk and walk.
Action, girls. Girls. Action.
Oh my God. Don't hurt yourselves.
Now you gotta do it, Natalie. Yep.
One
Nope.
more.
Nobody's letting you end on that one, buddy.
Elbow up and throw it hard.
Oh, good.
Aim a little higher.
Woo!
I have a new profession. It's axe throwing coaching.
That's your job. You're gonna coach people to throw axes.
Yep. I think actually you can make a profession out of it in LA.
Our DP literally is saving a snowball. You have to see this. He's trying. He's gonna take it back to LA with him. You have to see this. This is Drew's snowball.
We're choosing to find this hilarious.
Oh, we are walking one more time to location.
One more time.
Oh, we have walked so much in the last 2 days. But we're headed out to go do our last thing, which is gonna do the still photography for our posters for Panic Button. And then we're gonna go home. So this is kind of it. This is really the end of the video.
I think you give them a quick little one more once
more?
around. Let's do once.
Watch this.
Ready? Let's
Ready?
go.
Go. Beautiful. Anyway,
I'm booming us.
you
I'm booming.
She is our boom. All right, so that's it. This isn't really a try thing, but
No,
I'm
This
Tara,
is behind the scenes. I'm Natalie.
and this was a behind the scenes with Natalie and Tara.
Bye.